Canada isn't just maple syrup and hockey. It's a country that has transformed the way the world eats, plays, works, and even explores space. From life-saving inventions to cultural icons, today we're counting down 20 Canadian contributions that have shaped the world. Whether you're a traveler curious about Canadian culture or just love discovering global innovations, this video is for you. Get ready to be amazed by Canadian creativity and ingenuity.
First up, let's explore how Canada has fundamentally changed our health and our understanding of the universe. Canada's impact on medicine begins with insulin, a discovery that revolutionized diabetes treatment and saved millions of lives worldwide. Developed by Canadian scientists Frederick Banting and Charles Best, insulin transformed what was once a death sentence into a manageable condition. From historical photos of its discovery to modern insulin pens, this invention continues to touch lives across the globe. Another life-saving breakthrough is the cardiac pacemaker. The first external battery-powered pacemaker was developed by Canadian John Hopps, providing countless hearts the chance to keep beating. Today, pacemakers remain an essential medical device, with modern versions evolving from early prototypes, illustrating Canada's lasting contribution to cardiology. In 1938, a team at the University of Toronto, led by Professor E.F. Burton and graduate students James Hillier and Albert Priebus, achieved a monumental breakthrough by constructing North America's first high-resolution practical electron microscope. This innovation revolutionized scientific observation, enabling unprecedented magnifications that spearheaded major advancements across biology, medicine, and materials science. Canada also revolutionized infant nutrition with Pablum, the first vitamin-enriched baby food. Developed by pediatricians at Toronto's Sick Kids Hospital, Pablum set a new global standard for child health, providing essential nutrients in a safe and easy-to-digest form. From old advertisements to modern babies enjoying solid food, its legacy continues today. Finally, canola oil stands out as one of the world's healthiest cooking oils. Developed in Canada from rapeseed, it was designed to be both nutritious and delicious, and has since become a staple in kitchens around the world, showcasing Canadian innovation in everyday life.
Now, let's explore the Canadian tech that put the future in our hands and expanded our horizons. One of Canada's most influential tech contributions is the BlackBerry, the device that sparked the smartphone revolution. Long before iPhones dominated the market, the BlackBerry reigned supreme, connecting business and personal lives across the globe. From the iconic keyboard to early users sending emails on the go, this device changed the way the world communicates. Another groundbreaking invention is IMAX, the technology that transformed the cinematic experience. By creating massive screens and immersive visuals, IMAX allows audiences to feel like they're part of the story, whether it's a breathtaking nature documentary or a thrilling space adventure. This Canadian innovation redefined how we experience movies. Canada also left its mark in space exploration with the Canadarm, the robotic arm that has become an iconic symbol of the country's role in orbit. From the space shuttle to the International Space Station, the Canadarm has performed countless vital tasks, helping astronauts work safely and efficiently in space. Canada played a pivotal role in World War II, making significant advancements in sonar technology crucial for anti-submarine warfare and the detection of ice. These innovations dramatically improved the safety of maritime travel and research, underscoring Canada's critical contribution to refining this life-saving technology. Not every Canadian invention is about comfort or entertainment. Some are about making the world safer. A key example is the explosives vapor detector, invented by Dr. Lorne Elias. Designed in Canada, this device can identify even the faintest traces of explosive vapors. In airports and secure facilities around the globe, it works quietly in the background, spotting threats before they cause harm. Today, Dr. Elias's breakthrough has become an essential tool in global security, protecting millions of people every single day. It's a powerful reminder that Canadian ingenuity isn't just innovative, it's life-saving. Finally, the walkie-talkie revolutionized portable communication. Originally used for military purposes, this Canadian invention eventually became a staple for hikers, emergency responders, and families on camping trips, fundamentally changing the way we communicate over distances.
It's not always about grand gestures. Sometimes the biggest impacts come from making daily life easier. One of Canada's most practical contributions is standard time, which made global travel and communication possible. Thanks to Sir Sandford Fleming, the world adopted a system of standardized time zones, helping people coordinate schedules and arrive on time, relatively speaking, of course. Another Canadian invention that transformed daily life is the snowmobile. Created by Joseph Armand Bombardier, it became essential for travel in snowy regions and also sparked winter recreation for adventurers. From practical transportation to thrilling rides through snow-covered landscapes, the snowmobile changed how people experience winter. The paint roller is another innovation that made everyday life more convenient. By allowing people to paint walls quickly and evenly, it democratized home improvement, letting everyone tackle projects efficiently without needing professional skills. Finally, the Robertson screw has earned a place in builders' hearts for its reliability and grip. Its square drive design prevents stripping, making construction smoother and more efficient. A clever Canadian solution that's still widely used today.
Canada's influence extends far beyond science and technology. It also shines in culture and entertainment, bringing joy and creativity to people around the world. One of Canada's most famous contributions to sports is basketball. Invented by Canadian James Naismith, basketball has grown into a global phenomenon, played professionally and recreationally on every continent. Naismith's creation gave the world one of its most popular games, inspiring millions of athletes and fans alike. In the realm of superheroes, Canada gave us Superman, a character who redefined pop culture. Co-created by Canadian-born artist Joe Shuster, Superman remains a timeless symbol of hope, justice, and heroism, appearing in comics, movies, and television shows for generations. Another iconic Canadian creation is Trivial Pursuit, the board game that took the world by storm. Developed by Chris Haney and Scott Abbott, Trivial Pursuit has brought countless hours of fun and friendly competition to families and friends, making learning entertaining and social. Canada also made its mark on our taste buds with peanut butter. While different versions existed elsewhere, the first patent for peanut butter was granted in 1884 to Montreal chemist Marcellus Gilmore Edson, who developed a process for milling roasted peanuts into a paste he originally called peanut candy. Since then, it has become a beloved staple enjoyed worldwide, from sandwiches to a variety of baking recipes. Finally, the Nanaimo bar is a no-bake dessert that has captured hearts far beyond Canada. Travelers and locals alike adore this sweet treat, with its rich layers of chocolate, custard, and coconut, making it a quintessential Canadian dessert and a must-try for anyone exploring the country.
From life-saving medical breakthroughs to cultural icons like basketball and Superman, Canada has made its mark on the world in countless ways. Which Canadian contribution surprised you the most? Share your thoughts and tell us other ways Canada has made an impact on the world in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the corresponding video on your screen for more engaging content. Explore our channel for even more exciting videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Globe Gazette for more amazing stories. We value your support. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.